Alright! What's up sa inyo dyan mga kaakibat? At right now, nandito tayo sa Wild Street Hub dito sa Davao City. At right now, nakapag-order na ako ng food nila, which is yung kanilang unique combo. Kasama na dyan yung fried chicken, burger, at milkshake. But before that, tingnan natin yung environment nila. Ang ganda, sobra. Meron silang table dito, mga kaakibat. And then, meron din silang table doon sa taas and then sa baba din. It's kind of like amazing. And for now, maghihintay lang tayo ng ating food kasi for under 200 pesos, nako, may enjoy nyo na ang combo for burgers, pwede na yung mini burgers or mga other kind of food nila, plus chicken and milkshake nila. So tara, hintayin na natin.
Montage.
Okay mga kaakibat, ito na yung in-order ko. Ito na yung mga combo natin ngayong hapon. We have our colored mini burgers. Look at that. Yung pagka-blue niya, it's so beautiful. Look at the sliders, okay, with cheese, with some barbecue sauce ba, or burger sauce, really good. Tingnan natin yung loob. They have cucumber, tomatoes, and some onions, so it's really good. Meron din silang fries. Look at that, so beautiful. And 2 pieces of chicken. It's really good. It's really delicious looking chicken. At ito na yung milkshake na ko. First time ever dito sa Robert Peter Vlogs. Ito na yung milkshake na in-order ko. Tara guys, for the first time ever, let's dig in. Alright guys, let's dig in. Look at these mini burgers that we order here. We call it sliders as well. Another term for mini burgers are sliders. So tara, let's dig in. You can't live a full life on an empty stomach. Magandang saying. Wow, perfect cook, so fresh. Color blue yung buns nila, so amazing. Let's try the ordinary fries. So, it's all good. Okay lang man. So, a little crispy, but it's really okay. Okay guys, so let's try the milkshake to see how delicious it is. It looks delicious. Look, meron pa siya mga cream. I don't know, it's marshmallow or something. May mga marshmallows and some sprinkles. But meron pa silang wafer dito. So let's dig in. Wow! Chocolatey, milky, tamang tamis. Look at this chicken. Wow, golden crisp. It's one piece talaga. Pinagtugtong lang nila. So, it's really good looking chicken. Perfectly cooked, regano dry. All flavors are marinated there. Sarap. Can you read this? When life throws you a burger, eat it. Ibig sabihin, burger means opportunity. So, kung tamang opportunity na binigay ni Lord sa'yo, well, get it. Ganon yun. Another bite, mga kaakibat. Small burger, but terribly delicious. Full of taste, full of flavor. Good. Second bite. let's finish this chicken. So tara, let's dig in. Let's drink this milkshake using this kind of straw. Let's try.
What is that?
Epic. Wow. Let's try this. Sa mga gustong pumunta dito sa Wild Street Hub, ang location nila is corner Roldan Village, Davao City, which is before Woodridge Village, doon sa sa kabila. Then yung landmark nila, makita mo yung Roldan Village na sign sa labas. Harapan lang ng Leisure Legacy, yung bagong building sa harapan ng And meron din silang Facebook page, which is Wild Street Food Hub Cafe and Resto. Makikita nyo lang dito, okay? All you need to do is to like and follow them, okay? Hindi kayo magsisisi, ang sarap ng food na dito. Okay, the one last piece of burger that we're going to eat. Ito yung salita. Talents! Eating! Yun naman talaga eh. Aside sa singing, video games, and other stuff, eating is my talent as well. Ngayon, pinakakita nila thanks to YouTube. Let's get started! Let's begin with the last burger piece. Let's go! One last bite sa ating kaakibat. Let's enjoy finishing the fries and the one last piece of chicken. So let's go. Okay, so let's finish the last piece of chicken. Parts na to, nakababad eh. Tara, let's finish our fries, okay? Tara, let's finish our milkshake, okay, and we're done. Still plenty, but it's delicious.
What is that?
Hi guys, I'm your kaakibat from the other side of the planet. Alright mga kaakibat, we're done with our combo meals. And it's really amazing. Alright mga kaakibat, ewan ko lang ba kung ano masasabi ko sa sobrang sarap ng kanilang food. I'm gonna rate them another 100 over 10 stars. Yes, it's unique. Yung mini burgers nila are so flavorful. Tulad yung sa kabila na malaking burger pero color blue yung pinili ko. Itong mini burger are so much tasty. Grabe. And then yung chicken nila, well marinated. Talaga, manunuot talaga yung yung flavor niya sa chicken. Tapos pagkain mo, yun na yun. parang sumabog yung flavor sa dila mo eh. Oo. And their milkshake, hindi ko man naubos. Pero sobrang sarap, grabe. Let's try another one. Alright, so mga kaakibat, yung verdict ko is they are really amazing. And congratulations pala sa Wild Street Food Hub for their grand opening noong September 28. Kudos to you guys. So mga kaakibat, yun na muna yung ating video, and I would like to see you next time in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe sa Robert Peter Vlogs, okay? So mga kaakibat, see you again in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye!